Hello everybody, welcome to Edie Designs. I'm glad to have you here. So I haven't even been making stuff for people that long, and the question I get a lot of times is, how do you make your roses? Are they hard? Stuff like that. Which really, they're not even that hard. They look nice, but they're not hard. So today I'm going to show you how I make a rose. glad you could join us today, and thanks for watching to the end. If you liked what you saw here, please feel free to like and subscribe. And we're just starting out this YouTube channel and everything with the website. So if you have any tips, tricks, or anything for us, please feel free to put a comment below, or even a project that you'd like to see us make. Go ahead and comment below and we'll see if we want to make one. And if you're interested in this here, head on over to EB Designs and check it out. See what we got there.